This is the demonstration video for the LED blinking project, module 1. So we have the setup plus the code. The code is already compiled onto the Arduino. So I'm going to press right here. I press A as an example. And then I'll press enter. And it shows LED blinking. Now our stop control Z version of this input is going to be an exclamation mark. So you can see I'll put exclamation mark right here. Then stops. Now for the sake of demonstration, I'll put in a number 8. And then you can see that the number is blinking. I'll put in another one, exclamation mark, to stop the blinking. And then from here, I'm going to put in hello world. Hello. Hello world. And then you should get now this is running for the second cycle. It keeps going until I press the exclamation mark, press enter, and after this cycle is done, this should stop. There we go. Thank you for watching.